Hello, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to archive posts in the Threads app on your Android phone. Archiving helps you hide posts without deleting them, keeping your profile clean while still saving your content for later. First, open the Threads app on your Android phone. Make sure you're in the Profile section. You can do this by tapping your profile icon. Then, find the post you want to archive. After that, tap the three dots icon next to the post. Now select Archive from the options. Then click OK to confirm. To view your archived posts, go to the top right corner and tap the two-line icon. Finally, click on Archive to see all your archived posts in one place. That's how you easily archive posts in Threads on Android. This feature helps manage your profile effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.